Launch of Success Mentors University. Hello, I'm Joshua Barnes, the co-founder along with Al Shalloway. We've developed a learning platform to support agile and lean ways of working. We're providing a discount for all of our PMI Discipline Agile certification courses to celebrate this launch. Click the Learn More button for information. Success Mentors University is a collaboration of success engineering and process mentors. As a learning platform, its goal is to help individuals and organizations create products and services that add value to their customers. We provide options ranging from virtual live training workshops to on-demand video training. In addition, we've developed and provided tools to support your value delivery that we include, such as Miro boards, which is a virtual collaboration platform, quick starts, guidance, and more. Our training workshops currently include every PMI Discipline Agile certification course, Discipline Agile Scrum Master, Senior Scrum Master, Discipline Agile Coach, and the Discipline Agile Value Stream Consultant. Our Discipline Agile Bootcamp enables individuals and teams that are new to an agile and lean way of working to do as we say, do your way of working. In addition, we have master classes such as our Value Stream Management Masterclass and on-demand video courses such as our Intro to Discipline Agile.